Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Soumya and welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a dog toy that I bought for my dog 2 years back when he was a little puppy, and it proved to be a lifesaver for me, guys. I recommended this toy to so many people out there and everybody loves this toy. So I decided to make a video talking about this. In case you did not already know, I'm sure it will help you a lot. I am now going to show you the exact piece that I ordered for Alvin 2 years back, and I'm going to show you its exact condition. This is the toy, you guys. If you see structure wise, it is still the same. It has not changed a bit, just that it has few scratches here and there because I have 2 dogs and both of them bite onto it, and it has faded at few places, but it's so durable. Look at it, still here with us. So this is the toy in which you fill the food inside and then you serve it to your dog, and it will then keep your dog busy for up to an hour or maybe a little less or more depending on how aggressively your dog eats. Now the things in which this toy will help are destructive biting. Puppies have the habit of biting a lot, so it will definitely keep them busy. The second problem would be separation anxiety. In case you have trained your dog to stay back while you are gone, that's very good. Many people do that. But if you're a person whose job is from home and you hardly leave your dog alone, and whenever you do, even for few minutes, they tend to get very anxious. In that scenario, you can use this. You can fill this and you can serve this to your dog whenever you are leaving, and it will keep them busy. Then the third problem would be keeping hyperactive dogs busy. And then the next thing would be when you just want to relax, you want to sit back on your couch and you want to watch Netflix, then use this. How to use this toy? So this basically has 2 holes, the bigger one and the smaller one. The bigger one is to fill in food and this one is to avoid vacuum. The ideal way to use this, like they say, is to fill in the food and freeze it and then take it out only when you're serving it to your dog. Now what you can fill inside it is peanut butter and then treats. Many people like to fill it with treats up till here and then top it with a layer of peanut butter and then freeze it. Now one thing that I would do with this is, let's say I've already given him once and I do not want to give him more of this, so I would take a piece of his treat that used to be somewhat rectangular. So I would just press it like this. It's very hard, you guys, and then I would force the treat inside of this and then I would leave it. Now it's very tough to get that treat out from this circular space, so I would then give this to my dog and just watch him. It's fun watching him trying to get that treat out from here, and he would again spend quite a lot of time getting that treat out. Also, one thing you need to make sure is that you are not overdoing with the food when you're using this toy. Make sure that you are keeping the track of the food that your dog is eating in the entire day, inclusive of the food that you are giving him in the form of treats inside this. And also do not think that this is the replacement of the physical activities. It's not that you have given him this for 1 hour, it's his playing time and you do not need to invest time in playing with him anymore. No, it's not that. That is a separate thing. Physical workout is definitely needed. This is an additional help. Alright guys, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.